Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Grinchat 16L portable washer. If you're living in a small apartment or need a compact washing solution, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into their features, usability, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank it by hand, which can be a workout but allows for complete control over the washing process. In contrast, the Grinchat is electric and semi-automatic, making it easier to use with just the push of a button. This difference in functionality is crucial for users who prefer convenience versus those who value portability and independence from electricity. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5.5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for heavier loads. On the other hand, the Grinchat has a larger volume capacity of 16 liters, but this typically translates to a lighter load weight of about 3.5 to 4 pounds. This distinction is important for users who need to wash more items at once versus those who prefer a compact design. The design of these machines reflects their intended use. The WonderWash features a sturdy, retro design that is built to last, perfect for rugged environments. Meanwhile, the Grinchat boasts a modern, foldable design that allows it to collapse to just 6 inches in height, making it incredibly easy to store in tight spaces. This aspect of design can greatly influence your choice depending on your living situation. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Grinchat portable washer have their unique advantages and disadvantages. If you prioritize portability and manual control, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer automation and space-saving design, the Grinchat may be the better option. Whichever you choose, both machines offer great solutions for laundry in small spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.